let me brag on my God. Get a trophy, ain't just showing off. Yeah, I promise you never took a loss. If I'ma tell it, I gotta tell it all. Wait a second, let me brag on my God. Get a trophy, ain't just telling y'all. You can count it, he never took a loss. And if I'ma tell it, I gotta tell it all. Hold on, wait a second, let me brag on my. I love my God, keep him banging loud.
And we're here in OCHO RIOS, and let me introduce you to the crew. So we have KK.
Hello.
We have Daniel.
I'm Cameron. Cameron Thomas, and I love to abuse Danielle.
Calista.
Cholesterol. Yeah. Introduce yourself.
To Caroline.
Hi. Hello. How are you?
And Sandra.
Hi. How you doing?
And to Paula.
Let's see. Shall I call in you? Oh!
Well, guys, that's just half of the crew, but there's more to come.
To do an intro because this morning was so rushed. We already checked out the place and have our spot, and we're just in the car about to pump up our floaties. And yeah, so we will catch up back with you guys when I finish.
I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me the reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. It's good to know and I ain't worried about it. Come too fast. City with the top down.
How's the day going?
That one good enough, you know. That teacher how to swim.
That's not how you swim.
Swim. Float. Lay back. Lay back.
She's not ready.
Alright. Stretch out the hand. Relax like you're sleeping.
Careful, Paula. Remember, so this is one that can't help herself out here. Long time.
I like it like this. What to spell out donkey? Oh yeah, O-U-T, shark.
Open up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up, you're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lions den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire, fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now, forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to
Shaddie, get that joy. Are you invited for the flute?
Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away now.
Understand?
Oh, that's so wicked to her. Oh God, no wicked. Yeah. Oh God. Epic fail. What an epic fail. Epic fail.
Top 2? Memo video.
I want to make side that. Hold this side.
Me want.
There we go.
I want an epic fail. Epic fail. That's just like that.
Daniel, win. Go on. Woo! Go on.
Put some butter on cake. Close enough. You get the butter?
I could jump in it.
Anybody in the world, keep them out. My third again. Up and in.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Shaddie.
Come, go and try. Jump in.
It's sticky. Only that too far. Only that too far.
No, you have to like that. Go. No, it's shallow.
Only that too far. Oh!
That's it. Just like that. You have to control your foot.
glasses. She didn't have her one glasses.
How good are glasses?
Glasses.
Take
She
your
didn't have
time.
her one
Feel with
glasses.
your feet.
Sorry.
You find it?
Find it.
Take your time and feel with your feet.
Where your goggles there? Can you see them our goggles?
Oh, yeah, we got glasses. We got glasses.
Our glasses.
Okay, fine.
Thank you, Wendy. Oh, I'm in the wrong way. Bad man, bad man.
Hi everybody. I wanna hold it. Is it waterproof?
Yes.
Wait. Hi guys. I do it. Can I put it on the water to act like you're swimming? Alright then. I'm gonna act like you're swimming, guys. 3, 2, 1, go.
Alright guys, we've made it to the end of another exciting vlog. Mahogany Beach, you guys owe us nothing. This day was amazing from we reached till we were about to leave. As you can see, we're supposed to be packing up, but we still are going to enjoy ourselves same way. I just want to give a big shout out to everyone who made it on this trip. Looking forward to the next one. This is definitely a great family spot for you guys to go and check out. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.